Welcome! In front of me is a OnePlus Open, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So for me, home screen is already open. Once your content is prepped, meaning obviously open, all you need to do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up here with scroll and share options visible. At the moment this pop-up will disappear. Once it does so, you can find the captured screenshot in the Photos application, which will be under the Google folder right here. Let's go back to the main page. So by default you would be located in the Photos tab, and with that in mind you want to navigate to Library, and in here you'll find a screenshot album. Now in this album you'll also find screen recordings, as you can kind of see right here, but there's also the screenshot that I have captured. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.